for the money costs you stars and all the things we have. Yeah, would you still want me? Yeah, would you still love me? Yeah. The gold crack right with the crack house, that's right. Living in the age, baby, that's me with the clay. Growing up where the drugs be, when the drugs be, the slugs be. I ain't got no criminal record here, though. You can make it in the ghetto, blaming everything in the ghetto as the center. You niggas gonna settle, I rebel in the rebel. Not from the air, from the head, never clever. Pop like a kettle with the tea, with pot cop. Ball hitter with the Glock. 45 caliber, ever seen a nigga soul leak, bro? Can't speak up. Evil, evil, evil. Already know. And that trumpet blows. Read what you sow. You already know. For you, we will repeat those. Evil, evil. From a hard-headed nigga growing up in a rapper hole. A rapper hole is in North Carolina, though. From the FBN, tried to hear me, though. Hear me flow as I get it all out. Travel to the nation, great tribulation facing. In the invitation, in the conversation. Blood spilling out like rain condensation. Perception bring out deception, and the perception brings out manipulation. Temptation throughout the all nations. Nobody too blind, see they facing. Cataracts are creating, niggas out hating. Racism patient, lead, divide all of you. Something made up, point of view. I don't believe in social constructs. I believe in the truth and nothing else. Nothing corrupt inside of me. Just a regular nigga by the laws, be the laws of the cosmology. Not a Bible or religion or tradition of a man that you see. Wish upon a star, fuck that about faith. Come around the concrete space, hey, double leg. Don't know what I say. Look at double leg, battery, power, building. Gotta see it logically, past spiritual, past all the universalology. Your discovery of the ology of the Lord. That's what I call spirit, power, hot. Y'all captivate by